Hey guys, it's me now, Novi from my channel Nothers. Today I'm making another Lego build. I'm making a Lego monster truck number 60251. So let's see what's inside the box. Okay, I just gotta open this box. See what's inside of it. Okay, first we've got the pack of Lego bricks, more Lego, and instructions. I know it's only 55 pieces, but I'm still gonna make it. Let's get into it. Hey guys, it's the end of my video. Even though it's quick, I did enjoy it. It comes with the big monster truck, the guy. He kind of looks like Buzz Lightyear. I really did enjoy this. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe for my show. More videos coming. Bye!